they already know what your credit score is. Their database keep up with all their charge-offs, their collections, their bankruptcies. I mean, because credit unions are some of the easiest institutions to get lending from.
Let's go! What's the best way to get back good with Navy Federal? If you filed bankruptcy about 11 years ago and they still won't give you anything.
When you like taint a relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union, I'm going to tell you this right here. That's credit unions everywhere. If you, by whatever chance happening that you are not able to keep their relationship in a good standing, you probably going to have to move on. Because 9 times out of 10, you're not going to be able to get back into their good graces. I'm just going to keep it real with you. I won't lie to you and tell you, oh yeah, after so many years, they'll let you back in. Their database keep up with all their charge-offs, their collections, their bankruptcies. I mean, because credit unions are some of the easiest institutions to get lending from. They're much easier than your traditional banks, especially your big banks, your Chase, your Bank of Americas, and all those. These people are so easy to just give you money. And you got to understand, Navy Federal is the largest credit union in the world at $161 billion when I checked.
Yeah.
The numbers. They're number one, and PenFed is number 3. So your best bet is to move on. And because, like I said, even if it's no longer showing on your credit, they got you still in their database. It's still on your profile with them. Like everything that you ever done, if you ever bounced a check with them, it's on your profile. If you ever, all that stuff stays on the on your actual customer profile. So anything you've ever done, good or bad, is on your profile all the time. It's like as soon as you come in, it'll pop up everything that what's going on with your account, so that the tellers won't even offer you any of the credit products. They already say bankruptcy. Wow. I'm not being funny. I'm just being real, because when you go into financial institutions, half the time they're trying to sell you whatever product, and they can, and some of the systems even let you know if you're marketable. Like they already know what your credit score is. So therefore, you might have a teller say, "Oh, we got this new credit card right now that can get you 18 months 0% APR." So they already know what your credit profile is, like 90% of the time. So I would say if it's no longer showing on your credit report, I would say move on to another credit union. PenFed is the next biggest, and they're not as hard to get in as far. You don't have to have military affiliation or association to get into PenFed. You can just go right onto their website, open up a checking account with them, and just start building a relationship with them if you want to get back into a very large credit union. That would be my suggestion.
That's almost about the same with almost any bank. When you have that relationship, with them, what you do while you're with them, that truly matters, guys. That most definitely truly matters.